Hi guys, these are Nano's hair extensions. And in my hand, right now, this is blonde color. Our human hair extensions are 100% Remy quality, meaning the hairs, cuticles are aligned, resulting in shiny, healthy hair. Frizz-free and reusable. You can see, it's very shiny, very smooth. And this one is natural color. We carefully select our hair to always be double drawn. This hair is not only smooth, soft, but also strong enough to color and style. And this is ombre color. The hair has not been over-processed, ensuring the cuticles lay correct and intact. Nano's hair extensions are the most natural of all, in terms of look and feel, giving you long, lasting, gorgeous locks.